Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming both devices support USB tethering and that you have a charge and data cable. Plug the cable in. On the phone, accept any authorization prompts so drivers can install. Once done, make sure the PC recognizes a new network adapter. If drivers are missing, install the manufacturer USB or ADB drivers. This step creates the physical and software link necessary for sharing mobile data as a hotspot through USB. You now enable USB tethering in the phone's hotspot and tethering menu. The toggle creates a routed connection to the PC. On Windows, check Network Connections for a new Ethernet device. On Mac OS, check System Preferences Network. Once connected, make sure the PC uses the phone's interface for internet traffic, and set manual IP/DNS only if DHCP doesn't assign values. This is important because correct addressing ensures packets flow from apps through the phone to the carrier. You finish by verifying connectivity. Browse to a website or ping a public DNS like 8 to confirm. Then make sure the PC prefers the USB interface. Disabling Wi-Fi temporarily forces traffic through the tether. If pages fail to load, restart the phone and reauthorize USB tethering. This often resets carrier or driver states. If problem persists, toggle airplane mode briefly, replug cable, and reinstall driver.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.